Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee and I'm here to help you learn Excel quickly and easily with our digestible video tutorials. Today we're going to cover two different ways to turn negative numbers into positive numbers. The first method is great if you want to change the numbers in the same column. All you need to do is select an empty cell and enter -1 and copy it. Next, select all the negative values, right click and choose Paste Special. Then select Multiply and all except borders. Click OK and you're done. The second approach is useful if you want to keep the original numbers in one column and have their positive counterparts in another. Start by selecting a cell where you'll enter the formula, type the equals sign, choose the value you want to change and then multiply it with -1. Hit enter, and if you need to change all the values, simply copy the formula and drag it through the rows. Congratulations! You've just learned two effective ways to turn negative numbers into positive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking the video and checking out our other tutorials on our channel. Not familiar with Sheet Leveler yet? We'd be delighted to have you join our online family. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll be all set. Thanks for joining us and I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.